Riverside Road. This is the baseball park, the football park, tennis courts.
Looking at a park. These guys can go right through it. Watch it. These guys can go right through it.
Let's see, is he going to be daring enough? Yeah, he's going to go through.
He's going right through it. Look at them apples. Those are delicious. They're delicious donuts.
Freaking idiot.
Look at this walking down. Walking around. This is once a happy place. Now it's full of zombies. Full of zombies. This is all happy town. It's a documentary of Springfield Land. The zombie land of Springfield Land.
I wish we could get up to that other part. You can really see it going across.
Yeah, there you go. Look at this.
Dang, that wind is cold.
Dang! Look at this.
Oh, look at it. It's coming up the manhole cover. I'm just spewing out.
It's spewing like a big load, just spewing all over.
Yes, that is my weird furniture.
It's windy. The tornado will touch down anywhere around this area. Sorry, I had to say something.